Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you how I added depth and style to my small dining room using simple 10-inch beveled mirrors. Now let's get started. The first thing I did was clean my wall with rubbing alcohol and I allowed it to dry. I'm using 10-inch beveled mirrors that I ordered on Amazon. Each box of 20 cost me about $60, so this isn't an inexpensive project, but if you do the math, that's about $3 per mirror, and that's not too bad. I ended up using just under 3.5 boxes for this project. Before hanging my mirrors, I used a heat gun to help remove the black tabs and also cleaned the back of the mirrors with more of the rubbing alcohol. I also pulled out these two mosaic mirror panels from my decor closet. I purchased these from Pier 1 several years ago and haven't been using them. To hang each mirror, I'm using these double-sided mounting squares that I picked up from Target, aka Target. 4 squares can hold up to 1 pound. Of course, these mirrors don't weigh 1 pound each, but I wanted to make sure that they don't go anywhere. To start my design, I drew a straight line across my wall using a level. I then used that line to add 5 of the mirrors corner to corner in the center of the wall. I then began adding more of the mirrors in that same diamond pattern design. Here's what my design looked like after adding my first 2 cases. Before adding more of the mirrors, I wanted to test to see if I could cut the mirror in half so that I could take my design to the very ends of my wall. Here, I'm following the instructions on how to oil my glass cutter and cut my glass. But as you'll see, this didn't turn out so well. I didn't get a clean cut, so I tried again. After my second attempt, I thought that maybe this mirror was a bit too thick, so I used the same method on a thinner mirror, but I ended up with the same results. Of course, I didn't throw this away. You'll see me use this broken mirror in an upcoming video. I continued adding the mirrors until I was happy with the design, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. I have leftover mirrors, and I may take them to a glass cutter so that I can square off this design, but for now, I'm really happy with the final results. Should I square off the design? Which simply means adding the small triangles to the top, bottom, and sides, like the picture on the right, or should I leave it as is? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. This mirrored design actually makes this room look a lot bigger and much more dynamic. I think it's beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.